If your music pauses for a few seconds whenever your iPhone screen turns on or when you receive a notification, uh, this quick fix should solve the problem. This issue usually happens while your iPhone is locked and music is playing in the background. Then, as soon as the screen wakes up from a notification or you manually turn on the display, the audio suddenly pauses for 3 to 5 seconds. To fix this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Accessibility. Now, scroll down again and look for Vocal Shortcuts. Tap on it. The voice shortcut option may not appear on my device due to an older version, but don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Just follow what you see on your screen. If Vocal Shortcuts is turned on, simply disable it. This feature can sometimes interfere with background audio playback, causing music to pause temporarily when the screen wakes up. Once you turn it off, close Settings and play your music again. Your iPhone audio should now continue playing normally, without pausing when notifications appear or when the lock screen turns on. This fix works for Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube Music, and most other music apps on iPhone. If this video helped you fix music pausing on iPhone, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting tutorials.